I'm Priya from Bangalore, a young graphic designer, dreamed of creating stunning visuals for my startup's marketing campaign. I'm frustrated, guys. Facing challenges on this ImageFX restriction in our country. I know you guys also going through the same issues, right? Don't worry. I found a way to access this Imagen model to generate images, and also you can generate videos from the very famous Veo too. This guide will walk you through using the Imagen model with Gemini Advanced Premium in India, detailing the challenges overcome and providing a step-by-step process to unleash your creativity. Whether you are a content creator, student, or just love playing with AI, this tool is a game changer. But there are some challenges in India, and I'll show you how to overcome them, plus a step-by-step guide to get started. So, grab a coffee, and let's jump in. Woohoo! First, let's talk about what Gemini Advanced is. It's part of the Google One AI Premium plan, giving you access to Google's most powerful AI models, like Gemini 2.5 Pro and Veo 2 for video generation. You can create stunning images with Imagen 3 and cinematic 8-second videos with Veo 2. It's perfect for social media, projects, or just having fun. But in India, getting access can be tricky. Let's break it down. Challenge number 1, availability. Google One AI Premium, which includes Gemini Advanced, is available in India, but some features, like Whisk Animate, aren't fully rolled out yet. For example, Whisk, a Google Labs tool for mixing text and image prompts, isn't available in India as of April 2025. Challenge number 2, payment issues. Some Indian users face problems with international transactions due to bank restrictions or currency conversion fees. And finally, challenge 3, age and account restrictions. You need to be 18 plus and use a personal Google account, not a work or school one, which can limit students or professionals. Remember, still you can't access Whisk. You can use a VPN to access it from a supported country, but we'll focus on Gemini for now since it's natively available. For payment issues, use a debit or credit card that supports international transactions, or try Google Play Store payments, which often work smoother in India. For account restrictions, just sign up with a personal Gmail account. Now, let's get to the fun part: how to use Gemini Advanced for unlimited image and video generation. Follow these steps, and you'll be creating like a pro in no time. I'll also cover the limits, so stay tuned. Let's start with setup. Step 1. Sign up for Google One AI Premium. Go to one.google.com and select the AI Premium plan. It costs around 1,950 rupee per month in India, but students with a valid .edu email can get 15 months free until 30th June 2026, if you sign up by 30th June 2025. You'll need a personal Google account and be 18 plus. After signing up, you get access to Gemini Advanced, 2 terabit storage, and more. Check the link in the description for details. Step 2. Access Gemini Advanced. Head to gemini.google.com and sign in with your premium account. You'll see a sleek interface with a prompt bar. This is where the magic happens. You can also use the Gemini mobile app on Android or iOS for on-the-go creation. Step 3. Generating images. Let's create a stunning image first. It's super easy. Type a detailed prompt, like 35-year-old divine Indian woman with grey tight top and shorts with gym outfit with sweaty wet look looking at the camera and kickboxing. The camera from low angle view. The more specific, the better. Hit enter, and Imagen 3 will generate high quality images in seconds. You can download or share them instantly. Here's a cool example I made earlier. Step 4. Generating videos. For videos, select Veo 2 from the model drop-down in the top left corner. Enter the same prompt, like 35-year-old divine Indian woman with grey tight top and shorts with gym outfit with sweaty wet look looking at the camera and kickboxing. The camera from low angle view, Veo 2 creates an 8-second, 720p MP4 video in 16:9 format. It's cinematic and perfect for social media. Check out this video I generated. Now, let's talk limits. Image generation with Imagen 3 has a daily limit, which Google doesn't clearly specify, but users report hitting a cap after around 100 images per day, resetting at midnight. Videos with Veo have a monthly limit, likely a few hundred, depending on your plan. Gemini Advanced subscribers get much higher limits than free users, but you'll get a notification when you're nearing the cap. Also, videos are text-to-video only for now, and you can't upload images to animate yet. And that's it. You are ready to unleash your creativity with Gemini Advanced in India. Whether it's epic images for your Instagram or short videos for YouTube Shorts, this tool has you covered. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll answer them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech tutorial. Until next time, happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.